Hey y'all, it's your girl Francesca. Francesca, what's going on, guys? So I just received my chair unexpectedly. I'm really trying to put together like a computer desk type of vibe over there in the corner, but my chair came unexpectedly. Like I just came out of work, I'm looking all crazy, I'm looking all sweaty, but I'm trying to put this chair together before the kids come home. So this is the chair that I'm putting together. Take a look, take a look. Yeah, so it's from Amazon. It wasn't pricey at all. Like it was a really nice, decent price, and it's a really decent chair. So we're gonna put that together really quickly. It is 5:03. If I could put this together in the next 10 minutes, ain't nothing I can't do. Ain't nothing I can't do. So let's put this together. I just unwrapped it. Come closer. Don't worry about the background. Everything's being fixed. But you already know what this is. So right now, I'm putting the chair up. I'm putting the wheels inside. And all you literally have to do is push. But I've been having a hard time trying to push it in. So maybe it doesn't go in there, but it doesn't make sense. Like, why is it so hard to go inside? I just don't understand. Like I put one wheel in and it wasn't too hard to put in, but then these are becoming a little hard to push in. There we go. All right, I think I got it. All right, so we got 3 in, we need 2 more. I became a handy mom. I've been doing my thing, putting things together. I put my sectional together, which was not difficult. This chair is probably more difficult than putting a sectional together. I promise you. So this is it right here. I already put the wheels in, so now we're gonna put this part in, which is this way, all right? Yeah. Or, oh no, we gotta turn it around.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
So we gotta put it in like this. And then, we got these 4 screws. Like this is literally just it. So I'm literally learning right now as I go. Like listen, I'm trying here. So let's see, let's just take a look. And there's nowhere that I can put the screws in. Let's see, I guess the chair. So the screws are gonna go with here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing this is the beautiful chair. So yeah, all right, so let's put this down on the floor. Let's put this up here. Like I said, don't mind the background. Don't mind what's on the table. Focus on me. Focus on moi. All right, so this is the front. Does it matter? I don't know. Here we go. Seems pretty easy to put together. Very, very easy. All right. I'm not sure what the L key is to tighten the screws. Alright, we got the 4 screws and it comes with the L key. Make sure the holes are aligned, Francesca. Alright, here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna tighten. Oh shit, let's do it this way. Alright. Time is ticking. I'm trying to have this chair ready before the girls get home. Make sure it's nice and tight. I like to surprise my kids with new things. Like when the sectional came, they were not home, so I was able to put it together. It literally took probably less than an hour to put it together, like unwrapping and, you know, just fluffing up the pillows and such. It was such an easy thing to do. It was like the easiest thing that I ever put together. I put this dining table together as well, and that took about 45 minutes. So I've become, you know, I've been doing things on my own for a while now, since, you know, I'm not living with a man. And that's what we gotta do as women. All right, so I'm guessing just plop it down. Oh, I did it. Wait, why is it wobbly? I don't like that. What's going on? Okay. Oh, okay now. All right, don't judge me, but I was using my daughter's chair to sit at my desk. That's my daughter's chair. I was waiting for mine to come in, and it finally came in today. So we're gonna get rid of this baby chair. And woo! Yes, you already know my kids are gonna be like, Mommy, I wanna sit there. On the pillow. You see how easy that was to put together? Hey. Bro, when I tell you, you don't need a man. Ooh, that sun is shining. Summertime is here, baby. Summertime not here, but the springtime is here, baby. Let me tell you something. You don't need anybody to put anything together for you. Now, if you don't have the time or the patience, then you hire somebody. Like, for example, this desk right here, I really wanted to put it together before the weekend. I think I got that done on Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, or Monday. And today is Wednesday. So it's freshly put together. But I hired someone from Taskrabbit. I'm not sure where you're from, but you should look up Taskrabbit. They put things together. They mount TVs, like my daughter's TVs. Let me show you real quick. My daughter's TV was mounted by them. I didn't want to put it together. I didn't want to mount it, one, because I don't have the proper tools. Two, I don't have the proper knowledge to mount a TV. So I think, you know, the pricing was a little pricey, but at least it's safe. So I think I paid about $90, and they get paid off the hour and the job, of course, the type of job. So Taskrabbit, and then you can see who you're hiring. You know what I mean? They can't see you, but you can see them. I got that done Monday. So if, like I said, if you need somebody to put things together for you, and, you know, just look at the website. I'm not sure if they do have that in your state if you are out of the state. I'm from New York. I'm from Staten Island, New York, and they're everywhere, you know, so I got lucky with that. So it is 5:13. You saw how fast I put that together. Yo, pound it here, because I'll be trying to rush. And right now, I'm cooking rice and beans for the kids. I literally just got home. The sun is shining. I'm about to run on my treadmill before the kids come home. Like, I'll be on the move. I have so much going on in here. And I take it step by step. You know what I mean? Like, I write down my goals. Or even when I have a lot going on, I take a second. I take a breather, because dealing with 4 kids, you got bills, you got your job, you have your home. Like there's so much going on when you're a parent and you own your own and you have your own household and you're working. It's a lot. It's a lot. Like, it can really get stressful and overwhelming. But what I would tell you, friend, if you are in my situation as well, just think about your day and, like, you know, set priorities and things like that. Like this morning I'm like, okay, well, at night, that's when I prepare my things. It's like, okay, Isabella gotta be up early. Isabella's my oldest daughter. She gets picked up first from the bus. So boom, I'll have her stuff. I'll have all the kids' clothes out. So in the morning time, it's easier for me. So in the morning time, Isabella's the first one to be out the door. And I get her dressed. I make sure that her food is packed up because she is a picky eater. Just gotta get them ready in the morning. Boom. As soon as she leaves, I come back upstairs. I get myself ready because I do have work in the morning. So it takes about 10-15 minutes for me to get myself ready. And then I get the other girls ready. And I should be done at 8. So while I'm on my way to work, I'm thinking about, okay, what is it that I have to do after work? When I get home, I have to cook. Okay, cool. I have to do this. I have to do that. So people be like, how you do it? How you do it? Listen, you just gotta do it. Set your goals or just write down your to-do list and you will achieve what you gotta do. So yeah, so thank you for being here. I just be so proud of myself, and also I be so busy working out too. Like I'm listen, I'm trying to set, the sun is in my face. Yeah, that's the section I put together. My house is a little messy, but it's okay. I just got home, so we gonna fix it up and all that stuff. But I got kids, so I gotta put a cover on that sectional. And everything on Amazon is so freaking expensive for sectionals. So yeah, so that's it for today. You saw me put that together. Remember, my friend, you don't need anybody to do anything for you. And if you don't got the time to do it, hire somebody to do it for you. Be careful who you let in your house, and be careful who you let around you. Don't let anything mess with your energy. Don't let anyone fuck with your energy either. Don't let anyone take you out of your character. So always keep that in mind, cause I'll be checking myself. I'll be like, oh nah, I'm not gonna get out of character because this person said that. Like, let me stay humble. You feel me? Cause God will humble you quickly. Okay. All right, y'all. And see y'all later. Peace.